I'm going to try and build a successful online business. I'm going to try and shoot some videos. Do you find yourself saying things like this? As soon as you say the word try, you have actually built in an expectation of failure just through your language. You might be saying it with conviction, but you're undermining it. So today I've got a one-word hack for you that's going to reprogram your subconscious for success so that you can attract that beautiful tribe of dream clients to you and build that wildly successful business. It is this. Every time you hear yourself this week say the word try, I want you to stop and replace it with will. I will build a wildly successful business. I will shoot those videos. I will make that phone call. Okay, that's my challenge to you this week. Go get them.